Hello, it is Tegan at Upcycling Adventures, and this week I have a little tutorial showing you how I transformed a vinegar jug, a plastic vinegar jug, into a cute container to hold, you know, things. All the things. We have so many things, right? This is a very simple project with very simple tools involved. You just need a vinegar jug, some old t-shirts, scissors, a penknife, and hole punch, and it makes great use out of vinegar jugs because I'm trying to reduce everything that I use, right? But I go through a lot of vinegar now as a cleaning option instead of all those other things, and this is a way I can put those jugs to use. So I will show you how I did it. Okay. To make this bin, you're going to need a vinegar bottle or a plastic bottle with the label removed, or you can leave it on. It's up to you if you want to see that. You're going to need a hole punch, a penknife to cut the bottle or the jug. I have some t-shirt scraps. These are actually sleeves from the t-shirt totes I made, and then some scissors to cut the totes or the t-shirts with. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our jug. Using a penknife or a utility knife, they're pretty easy to cut. I've already cleaned it on the inside and it's still wet, but once I get it cut, I'll just dry it. It'll be easier. And I'm essentially going to just cut along this line here. I'm not going to draw a line or anything like that. So I'm going to do that. Alright, so I've cut it apart. I don't need this piece, so I can save this for a funnel or something. And then I'm going to dry this out now that it's all accessible. Okay, so it's dried out, and you can see the edges are a tiny bit rough. I might trim some of the rougher edges, but overall it does not matter all that much. So I'm actually going to go ahead and use some scissors to trim up some of the rougher edges to make it a little more even, but overall it doesn't matter that much, like I just said. So there I go. So now I am going to continue to prep the jug, and I'm going to punch holes with the hole puncher across the top, about an inch apart, all the way across the top. I'm going to stick it so it won't go in any further. So that'll be where I put it down, like this. Just pushing it in all the way. Punching a hole. It's as easy as that, and I'm going to do that about an inch apart all the way around. So this one didn't completely detach, as you can see. So if you have this problem, you can just kind of take your penknife back out and clean it up a little carefully. Alright, so I have holes punched all around my jug, the top of my jug, and now I'm going to prep my t-shirt fabric. I'm going to essentially just cut it into 1-inch slices, or strips, I should say. This should be enough. And now I'm going to just start putting it through the top here. I'm going to come in through the back, or the inside, I should say, and go across the top, and then go to the next hole, and come from the inside to the outside again. just like that. Now I'm going to keep doing that. Okay, so now that I've gotten down to like the last 3 or 4 inches, I'm going to go ahead and tie my next strip on. I'm going to double knot it. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then I'm just going to keep going with my new strip. From the inside to the outside. You can kind of tuck any loose bits as you desire. Okay. Now I'm going to put my last strip on. Alright, so now that I'm at the end, I'm just going to tie these two together. Taking care to keep the knot on the inside. Alright, and then I'll just trim up any of these longer strings and it'll be all done. It'll be all done, I should say. There we go. So some of those I tucked and some of them I trimmed. Just kind of depends. And now it's not sharp on the top and it's cute and it's ready to store whatever I need to put in it. All right, I hope that tutorial was helpful. And I hope you can whip up some of your own. As you can see, I'm storing some scrap fabric in this one that I just made. My washi tape. They really are a nice size. They're flexible. They're handy. And I think they're kind of cute. So anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like this video if you're still watching it. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It would help me out, and sharing any of my videos that you enjoy. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Have an awesome week.